So, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, today we have again our expert, Bholenath, research scholar in our lab. So he is going to explain you about how to install R Studios, and particularly iGraph, which we are using for the network analysis. In earlier video, he has explained about how to use iGraph, how to do the analysis of the network using the iGraph module. But many of you have asked, tell us about how to install the R, what is required to installation of the R. That is the first step actually, right? So if any one of you which is very new to this, so that is the first step. So Bholenath is going to explain you step by step. So over to you, Bholenath. Thank you so much for your time. Over to you.
Sure, sir. So first of all, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to everyone. So as I said, so it's the initial step and it's the very crucial step basically, but it's very easy step also. So let's see what you have to do at first. Into your search engine, you just have to search like here R Studio. So then you just have to click into the first option. You can see that at here R Studio Desktop. So just click and then you will find out that there are two files, install R and install of R Studio. So basically what you have to do now, right, you just have to click on here, download and install R at first. So then what you have to choose here, you just have to choose download R for Windows, then click here install R for the first time. Further, you will see here, download the version is mentioned here, R 4.5.2 for Windows. And you can see here for 42 bits and 78 megabytes whatsoever. But you just have to click on this. You can see the file is downloading. So it's basically completed. So what you have to do, go to your download section and then right click on it. After selection, you just have to left click. You just have to click left and then click here run as administrator. So it's a basic process for installation of any kind of software. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you just have to click on yes. Then you have to select the language. By default English is there, so continue with English. Next you can see, you just have to click on next. So here it will automatically, or by default it going to save on the file program file. You can select or browse it, and further you will select your comfort zone also into your PC. But still for this video I am just looking for installation. So next, then you just have to click next. Startup option, you can see customize startup or not, it will run basically default. So go for the default. Next. So R, you can browse it also for file name changing. So you just have to click on next. Select additional tags, you can select as per your required, but I just want to suggest keep it default. So it will take few seconds. Just okay, then click on finish. So it's the first stage, and congratulations, we just have completed our first step. So go for the R Studio. Now we are going to install the R Studio. So click on here, download R Studio desktop for Windows, and then it will automatically start downloading. So you can see it will take some time. So basically those file you just have to download from here. From this side you can see that posit.co download /r studio desktop. You can see you can directly copy and paste it into your search engine also. It will work like this also. So you just have to go into your downloading section. So into your downloading section, you just have to select it and click on here, run as administrator. You have to click yes. So we are moving to our next. Here the destination folder. You have to select from here. So basically R is a coding based software. Basically it's a game of code as I previously told you. So after installation, you just have to run it, which module you just want to perform. As per your interest, you can do.
Yes, and similarly, as I told, by Python you can do lot of analysis. Similarly, by R, it's not
Yes, yes.
only for the network, but there are number of module you can use as for meta-analysis. There is a module. There is a gym wide association studies. PHVID is for disproportionality analysis and so on. So you can do lot of analysis. Yes, over to you, Bullet. I
Yes,
think
sir,
it's
yes.
done,
So
complete
next
setup.
you just have to click on finish. So it already, you can see, you just have to click on your window R Studio and then simply open it. So as you can see, you just have to create your new project from here, and you just have to select your directory, new directory. In our previous video, you can we
Yes,
already
this is the
explained
first
those
step.
things.
So
Yes,
everyone has to create a new project and name your directory. So whatever you are doing, it will goes in that folder automatically. Otherwise, you have to search where that data is, where it is. So first step when whenever you are going to work in the R, create a new project and change the directory. Yeah, over to you.
okay. So just you just have to put it like directory name rgraph 2, 3, whatever you want as per your interest. You can create it. So you can see the console window. So what you have to do actually to install the igraph package, you just have to write here
Now,
igraph.
sorry for interruption. Now your R installation is done. You have done two things.
Yes,
One is R Studio, one is R. Now, next, Vole is going to explain you. This is the iGraph is the module which we are using for network
network.
analysis. So, like
Yes,
that, there are a number of modules. It's depend upon your interest which module you are looking for. But as our lab is working with respect to network, so we are going to deal with the iGraph. Go ahead.
yes. As per sir concern that sir already explained. So you just have to click enter.
Yeah, and this is the command. If you see this command, there is a install dot packages, and in bracket package name is mentioned. So if you want
Yes,
to install any other package in same command, you have to use. What you have to do, you can change the name of the that particular module instead of iGraph. If you want to use any other thing, so you can do it. But your command is install dot packages, right? That is your command
yes,
in bracket. It depends upon which module. Yeah, go ahead.
yes. So simply you can choose your package of interest from here also.
Yes.
So by you
You
can
you
also
can see
install
that
it.
there are so many packages are there, right? So every
Yes,
one of you can see that. So depending upon your
lots of package.
requirement, you can do that. Yeah.
Yes. So I think that's all over about the
Yes.
installation process of R Studio.
Yes.
Hopefully you are enjoying it, and thank you, sir, once again to give me this
Yeah.
platform.
Yeah, thank you so much, Bholenath. You are always there whenever I asked you to present. So already Bholenath has explained how to do the analysis, how to create the network, how to do the analysis. So of course, one step which we have missed out is how to pull out the target information from different databases. So in upcoming videos, we will explain that part as well, how to do that sorting, and then you can pull that data to the R. So this is just a basic videos where if anyone who is very new to this field, who don't know what is R, how to install it, what is module, which module I have to use, and how to install that module. So this is the video for these students only. So thank you so much, Volenath, for your time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.